Anyway mga kabarya, sa video nating ito i-discuss natin ang mga stock balitang ating nakalap para sa ating PSE Stock Market Philippines. Ngayon ay October 24, 2021. Saka dito pala guys sa ating Kabarya Avenue PH YouTube channel, sinishare natin yung ating experience at dinodocument yung ating pag-aaral sa mga nakita nating pangmasang Pinoy investment at potential digital assets in investment na pwede tayong kumita kagaya ng stock market, Pag-ibig MP2 Savings and Investment Program, GCash investment, cryptocurrencies and altcoins gaya ng Bitcoin, Cardano, Dogecoin, Binance, Litecoin, Chainlink and Ethereum at iba pang pangmasang Pinoy investment. Kaya guys, kung trip at korsonada mo ng ganitong mga content, pwede mo ring pindutin yung red subscribe button dyan sa baba para ma-update ka pa ng ating mga latest na ina-upload na video tungkol sa ating pag-aaral ng mga pangmasang Pinoy investment at potential digital assets in investment naman. Alright, bago natin umpisahan guys, huwag nyo palang kalimutang basahin yung disclaimer na nasa screen ng ating video. Okay guys, ladies and gentlemen, talakayin natin ang mga PSE stock balita update na ating nakalap ngayong linggong ito, October 24, 2021. Ang ating unang stock balita para kay FRUITAS o ang ating Fruit from Philstar Global dated October 23, 2021. FRUITAS opens 100 store. Basahin natin. Manila, Philippines, FRUITAS Holdings Incorporated, the listed food and beverages kiosk operator, is opening its 100 store 71 days ahead of its target for community store openings. It is targeting to double its community store network to 200 in year 2022, aligned with its trust to provide healthy and fresh product to its customers daily. FRUITAS Holdings President and CEO Lester Yu opened community stores to adapt to the new normal brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic. The 100 community store will under the brand Balay Pandesal in Parañaque City, which sells freshly baked bread. FRUITAS has expanded Balay Pandesal's network to 33 outlets from 5 since June year 2021. Magandang pang long-term period of investment itong si FRUITAS dahil marami siyang future project sa kanyang store expansion. Ang target ni FRUITAS na mabuksan yung total number of 100 stores by the end of this year 2021 at dodoblehin niya ito by the end of year 2022 with total number of 200 stores. Okay, silipin natin saglit yung day chart ng ating Fruit o si FRUITAS Holdings Incorporated. Right now, ang presyo ni FRUITAS ay nasa 1.37 pesos or 1 peso and 37 centavos. Ang latest all-time high ni FRUITAS ay nasa 1.84 pesos. Kung susukatin natin itong present na presyo ni FRUITAS 1.37 at ipa-plot natin dito sa 1.84, meron pa tayong 33% to the upside bago natin marating itong latest all-time high ng ating FRUITAS. At kung i-check natin tong kanyang mga daily moving average, itong ating daily moving average 100, itong red line, no? Makikita ninyo na above na yung mga trading candles ng ating FRUITAS. Pero itong kanyang daily moving average 100, 200, itong pink line natin, makikita natin na below pa yung mga trading candles ng ating FRUITAS. Kaya maganda pang saluhin ito dahil hindi pa niya nabubutas itong daily moving average 200 natin, no? Ibig sabihin, may potential pa ito na malaki bago niya marating yung kanyang latest all-time high. Malaki pa yung price action nito dahil nga nung sinukat natin, almost 33% to the upside pa. Kaya magandang tingnan si FRUITAS kung long-term period of investment yung titingnan mo naman para sa kanya. Okay? Dahil meron siyang mga magandang future project expansion sa kanyang mga store opening in the future, no? Yung nabanggit nga natin kanina sa ating stock news update para kay FRUITAS. Okay? Sunod nating stock balita update para kay ACEN from Philstar Global dated October 23. AC Energy ties up with Cleantech for 200 megawatt solar farm in Cagayan. Basahin natin. Manila, Philippines AC Energy Corporation ACEN has partnered with local renewable energy developer Cleantech Global Renewables Incorporated for a solar farm development in Cagayan. ACEN recently secured board approval for its joint venture with Cleantech for the 200 megawatt solar power project in Lalu, Cagayan. It also signed a deed of absolute sale of shares with Solar Philippines Power to acquire 97.6% of Solar Philippines Central Luzon Corporation. ACEN is constructing at 72 megawatt Arayat Mexico Solar Farm in Pampanga, a 50-50 joint venture with Citicorp Renewable Energy Corporation. ACEN is listed energy platform of Ayala Group. It has 2,600 megawatt of attributable capacity in the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, India, and Australia. The company's renewable shares of capacity is at 80% among the highest in the region. ACEN aims to be the largest listed renewables platform in Southeast Asia with a goal of reaching 5,000 megawatt of renewables capacity by year 2025. Ang target ni ACEN, makapag-provide ng renewable energy power plant with total capacity of 5,000 megawatt from solar and wind renewables by year 2025. Ang net attributable capacity at present ay 2,600 megawatt na yung operational sa renewable energy power plant ni ACEN, kaya mayroon pang 2,400 megawatt na bubunuin nila until year 2025. 200 megawatt capacity ang naidagdag sa renewable energy project ni ACEN from solar energy. Katay-up niya dito si Cleantech Global Renewables Incorporated. Mayroon din tayong ginawang ACEN Stock Update Series number 1 sa previous nating na-upload na video. Pwede rin ninyo itong panoorin guys para sa karagdagang impormasyon pa para kay ACEN. Okay? Sunod nating stock balita para kay MEDILINES-IPO from Inquirer.net dated October 21, 2021. PSE okays MEDILINES 2 billion pesos IPO. Basahin natin ang stock balita ni MEDILINES tungkol sa approval ng kanyang IPO o yung tinatawag na Initial Public Offering sa ating PSE Stock Market Philippines. Manila, Philippines, the Philippine Stock Exchange PSE has approved the initial public offering IPO of as much as 2 billion pesos to be launched by medical equipment distributor MEDILINES Distributors Incorporated this November. MEDILINES, which is positioning itself as a healthcare pure play, of offering up to 550 million primary shares and up to 275 million secondary shares at a maximum offer price of 2.45 pesos or 2 pesos and 45 centavos per share. The IPO price will be finalized on November 16 ahead of the public offering that will run from November 22 up to November 26. Tentative listing on the main board of the PSE on December 7 under the ticker MEDIC. MEDILINES is led by businessman Virgilio Villar, a brother of billionaire Manuel Villar Jr. Proceeds from the offer will be used to finance MEDILINES working capital in relation to the procurement of existing products and the build-up of its medical consumables inventory, while the rest will be used to repay debt. Founded in year 2002, MEDILINES distributes medical equipment to both public and private healthcare facilities in the Philippines. Itong MEDILINES itinatag ni Mr. Virgilio Villar, kapatid siya ng dating Senador Manny Villar na kilala bilang The Wealthiest Filipino. Itinatag ni Mr. Virgilio Villar itong MEDILINES noong year 2002. Okay, initial data natin para kay MEDILINES to offer 2 billion pesos IPO Ang price per share nito, 2 pesos and 45 centavos. Ang tentative date ng kanyang IPO to be announced on October 16. Ang tentative date ng kanyang listing ay sa December 7. Ang magiging stock code ng ating Medilines, MEDIC. Okay, bago tayo magtapos, alamin din muna natin ang stock balita update ng ating Philippine Stock Exchange Index o ang ating PSEI. From ABS-CBN News, PSEI fails to sustain 6-day rally, falls below 7,300. Basahin natin. The PSE Index fails to sustain its 6-day rally and falls below 7,300 level. An analyst believes the index recent climb was little too fast. Michelle Ong reports, October 22, 2021. Okay, i-play natin itong video update ng ating PSE Index News from ABS-CBN News. Panoorin natin. 1, 2, 3.
Asian markets were steady on Friday amid reports embattled Chinese property giant Evergrande may meet a key payment deadline and as investors also digested more corporate earnings. Here at home, Philippine shares took a breather from their 6-day winning streak. BDO Capital's Ed Francisco says, big picture, revenge never looked this positive, with revenge spending and travel seen once the country further and completely reopens. He does admit, though, the recent run-up may be a little too much.
It's not scaring me, but it's a little too fast because our house view was 72 to 7,400 year end.
Wow.
And that was already our optimistic. So we're already there, right? So even if it just stays flat, I think that's good enough because otherwise it would become expensive again.
Francisco also citing strong appetite from local and retail investors for the upcoming offerings, including for All Days IPO, which ends on Monday, and Synergy Grid and Development's offering, which begins on Tuesday.
The market, bumubulusok from the retail, they start falling, they make reservations,
Wow.
even if it's 100,000 pesos, 200,000. But when you have 10,000 of 200,000 pesos, that's suddenly, that's already billions of pesos. So it's nice because it's really a broad market base. We're seeing that we've seen it already in the past in the bond deals, but now in the equity deals, it's coming back.
In corporate stories, food and beverage kiosk operator FRUITAS hits its target of 100 community stores ahead of schedule and has in fact reopened 90% of its stores. The 100th community outlet is under the brand Balay Pandesal and is located in Parañaque. The goal now is to hit 200 community stores next year as the company pushes for healthy and fresh products. The group sees community stores as more accessible and flexible given its smaller format. It also says 90% of its 100,000 employees nationwide have already been vaccinated. Michelle Long, ABS-CBN News.
Alright, at yan ang ating mga nakalap na PSE Stock Balita Update ngayong linggo, October 24, 2021. Magkita ulit tayo sa kasunod nating video. Once again, have a happy weekend Sunday, always stay safe, and God bless. Hanggang sa muli!